1.
What do you think of Chris?
I like talking to him. He knows something interesting about practically everything.
Yeah, I know. And he's really serious about studying, too. He wants to go to medical school, so his grades have to be perfect.
He must be a good student.
He's a great student. Top of the class last year.
2.
You know Brandon Kent, don't you?
Oh, sure. He's a really nice guy. He took a whole day off last month to help me move into my new apartment. Then he drove me to the mall so I could pick up some furniture for my new place.
Yeah, that's what I like about him. In fact, he's coming over this afternoon to help me with my math assignment.
Lucky you.
3.
I can't stand that Terry Day.
Really?
Yeah. The other day, we were walking down the street past this homeless man who asked us for money. His clothes were torn and dirty.
Yeah?
Well, as soon as we walked past him, Terry made jokes about his clothes.
No way! Oh, that's terrible. 4.
Are you going to Tony's party on Friday night?
Yeah, are you?
Of course. He has great parties, don't you think?
Definitely. It's because he gets so excited about everything. Everyone sees him laughing and having fun, and then they start enjoying themselves too.
You're right. He's an amazing guy.
5.
Have you seen Patrick recently?
No, I haven't. We were supposed to go to a concert last weekend, but he said he was too sick to go.
Oh, that's too bad.
The thing is, he didn't tell me the truth. My brother saw him at a party this same night, having a good time.
Oh, I really hate it when people lie like that.
Me too.
6.
I just talked to Chuck.
How is he today?
The same as usual. He's always in a bad mood. Talking to him is really difficult. It's easy to say something that really upsets him.
I know. I wonder why he's like that.
I think it's because he isn't doing well at school this year.